You Can Win, written by Shivkeshra, and in this book they are written by some quotes. Winners don't do different things, they do things in different way. That means, hi friends, welcome back to my channel Tanvita's World. I am Keerthi. Here I am sharing with you to read the books, how to read the books. Reading books, from the reading books only you can get English language. How it is? Everything we can get from this video. Let's get into the video. Everyone having idea how to read the books, and some people have know how to read the books, and they are habituated to reading books. But so many people can't do this because they are getting irritating, or they don't have a time. So many reasons are there in their lives. That's why I am sharing to how to habituate it to reading books, how to acknowledgement to learn English language from the books. Reading book is the main important thing, to enhancing your skill from books only. Because from reading books we can get thinking power, willpower, and also confidence, and you may get reading new skill. And from the how to read the books or anything you can get from the books only, because so many books are there, you can't predict that. From the books you can get so many things. You have to willing to learn English language also from the books. Try to read the books in English, because you want to improve English language, right? So don't focusing on Telugu or Hindi medium books. You have to focus on English language only. Try to take the first time you are reading first time, right? So try to use small stories books. Try to habituate it to reading books. After that you have to take any books, but at least one hour you have to spend to reading books. Then only you can get English language from the books, because so many words are there, so many different pronunciations are there. So you have to focusing on, when you get new words, when you don't know pronunciation exact word, you have to try it in search and or use the dictionary, and we can get new words and new meanings, right? So try to write it down in notebook and use that exact words in daily basis. Like this you can improve your English language in your daily basis. When you follow with the consistency, you can get English language automatically. You will get proficient English language in future. That will change your life. You may get job, you may get talk with the native speakers, you will visit any other countries based on English language only. Without that you can't able to succeed in your life. Try to use this tip, improve your English language. So I have suggested this book, You Can Win, written by Shivkeshra, and in this book they are written by some quotes. Winners don't do different things, they do things in different way. That means successful people, they are not doing different things, they do the things in different way. They are using thinking power and do something in different way in their life. That's why they are succeed in their lives. So try to use this tip, improve English language. All know everything, but they don't follow these tips. When you follow these tips, then only they are succeed in their life. Try to use these books and try to habituate it to reading books, then only they will success. You may get new words. Try to write down, recall the words every day. So you will not again reading. So it's very useful for this tip, because automatically while speaking with you, while talking with others, you may get so new words also. So that time you will using advanced level English in the, at the earliest age, earliest time. So you have to try to reading books. It will help you this habit very useful for you in your life. Yeah, well, this book will help you to improve your learning skills, and as well as communication skills, and as well as inspiration and motivation also, because this book suggested you so many topics in this: how to be a good attitude, how to maintain good attitude, and how to be a confident person, and how to maintain high self-esteem, and all, and how to be a good positive listener, always positive thinker. Everything we will get in this book only, because try to use this book to read and complete this book, then only you can get motivation, and as well as so many words, and also you will get, I think, at least to talk with someone in English because of this book, because they are using so many simple words and easy language. So you can try to read this book. Try to read this book at least 1 or 2 times, and they are using in this exact life lessons, life stories in this book. First lesson is importance of attitude. This is the balloon story. So their life stories are sharing in this book. So try to use this book to reading. While reading, at least you are starting, right? So try to read once complete passage. I mean that complete content, one passage or 2 passages, and you may get so many words this passages only. So write it down these words in separate notebook. It will help you while reading, while speaking with others. This book will help you a lot. You will get so much thinking power, and as well as confidence, as well as self-esteem. You will get learning skills, and you will get English language also. Try to read complete this book, and share with me how this video will help you. And I am sharing the videos because of at least one person you get English language. That's why I am sharing these videos. It will help you. Just give me one thumb to share with you more information. Thank you. You haven't subscribed my channel, subscribe my channel now itself. Thank you so much for watching my videos. We will meet on next video. Till then, signing off, Keerthi. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu.